Hello developers, today I will show you how you can make a Node.js server without using the Express.js package. I tried searching for this on YouTube, but the only thing that popped up was Node.js server using Express.js only. That's why I will show you how to do it using only Node.js. So let's just start. We need only one package, that is the HTTP package. We don't need to install anything. For this, the HTTP package comes with Node.js itself, so we will just import that const HTTP, then require, we will import this package, and we have imported it. Then we will just create a server instance, that is server is equals to http dot create server. This method helps us to create the server. Then we will just need request and response, and we will send a response to the response that will be hello world. Cool. This end method sends the text or the message to the browser, and we can see that in our browser when we use the URL, that will be localhost 3000. In my case 3000 is the port number, so we will just create that. So let's listen our server. So server.listen, then our message, our port, then our callback function. Here I am using console.log. You can use your callback function, regular callback function, it works also, but I am using console.log. Our server is listening on port 3000. Our server is ready. You can read about the end method in Node.js's official website, so you can do that. So let's just try to run our server. How we will do that? Node and our file name. Our file name has a .js extension, but we don't need that. Only we can do node space our file name, and if we hit enter, our server is listening on port 3000. That's it. We have created our own server using only Node.js. We have created our server and just listened our server and run our file, and our server is listening on port 3000. And if we see how we can see our message, we will just pick our own browser, any browser you can choose, and just write localhost, my bad, I'm not good at typing, localhost 3000. In case you ask what is 3000, it is our port number that we have given here, that our server is listening on port 3000, so that's why we are giving 3000 here. Localhost 3000, we will just hit enter, and you can see our message. It is our own server we have created using only Node.js, and you can see the message. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.